okay wara yulbo Muhammad Hafiz aka G-Face shi topi na nyasi yang ka belichi de bitam ka pisang karesu goble ne pamperle ne torle anab no bungar wara ya pupan na ya na won ga fara ka su pal ga karmal la nyala ko nyu chokal okay ne chele sel ni mana tama sungo sama abagalsi de kul bagalsi kura batin kunye sham sungo iya yen la som 2-3 headline stories kale cha ka bang ne kamanta mala interview ne tano ya la interview ma nyala tene Weezy the legend boy with Shadam Banama na won ga fara yum wata mala concert jabbo ne no di ko nyu kam kawula sam yirmi bo non ne tere bini mana tano concert ma ya hey Bacha Kantega Kabang Namina Zen Food Spices, Lisi Tomato Mix, Lalanjalaka, Mr. Red Motors, and Tapa Mariscopes Ghana, the Institute of African Art and Technology, Kababe Arasikiti Mapuna Kapuramu Kanamaya. On a very quick one, Yapurukati and Kole, headline stories Kati and Tabu, number one on the headline story Manuel Adene, a Jura killings probe. Family of Kaka refused to appear before the commission. Okay, and to obtain over the weekend, ma had before Katanakana, last week Mambala. Ye to a sheldon da big gana. Katrendra, Karmal Pukata net Zahazan to Zaha, Beta Hankal Labla, ye to Amapuna Daniela, ye to a sheldon danang ejurala. The Bach Bande, Nachimble Subra, Pani go yung ku. Go to Moma Sabapia Punaka nearby to Chimpa Oso. Nika soldier of that to look Kola, can nearby to Chila. The Manzolanda Pula Interior Minister, no jump commission. Nzante lela particular yo kabo bo vehicle zanti ye to sheldon danama de vehicle yina ya to amani vo so munda kan tule kan ye sababi ya kay to anma za at firma o dangma yel ya nebe kan nin tegle nsan jendi commission sheldon de on forma ejura yin do ma for dan mata ne banku to changni mana banku sa changni mane nti yel be nyol ni ye to an ye shele den ka man na yel de polo okay tin kana de le biel fu ya kana te ye to sheldon ya ko to ganda Rebecca and Samira Salaris Burha. My beautiful Rebecca. My beautiful Rebecca. Tengban solan wajira ya. Munye people Rebecca. Nanado pambelama. Ntupa baumia pa. Munye Samira baumia. I'm Samira won't gel pam. Nana Rebecca won't gel marwen nana kawairo. Ye twa yina san jande butuma. Buyuare Rebecca ne Samira ne butuma yuare kanala butuma yuare ngoma ya kabisa yino kamenye ndere 21,000 gole ka yeto ama pe parliament ka parliament pasana kaman buyum Samira buyum Rebecca domini buyidan ne tengban solan paso biyen yuarba me yoro ma dina katale shella pahla rapuna katiya kanati yalle de jankantanga nkanna ya katigarwa pulungo yeto ada yin ma de yedene wa brutality soldiers handed punishment including detention and demotion lalanya laka over the last week mambala wa ya'lamu video shelda yina ka sojan ku tena tampuna ntuku bursa bila ganda menir banan ko tanya lalla de yeto anwama de yimna ka defense minister pe parliament ka bosse te boy ko yende bo bola din ye tib dar bo sant soja shabanda tum la galmi tum ngoma ya hey de boy yeto abier ka tiyen yelle biela kana chi tipper tracks on our roads the Kalu stigma the stigma of Kalu titipa nama ne tipa driver nama bambe te pala so ngoma ka wuli a shel tabe ya ka bo ni ya Kalu la imiri yara de musriya de nangdi ya tsa kaman tipa nama tumini sarati na woni ne borshel nangda ka sarati ngoma be ka kunku be ka tuchi karanyana de malla sababi ya narpi lalaka na wuma mangbata alkauli bad zoya pam ka tipa nama kartu be tu pala so ngoma karanyana de kuya de meya de kuya karazu pam tipa union nama imale sa asen jendel la yeto amapulu ka bor ku be tabo de yeche kala la yubiango ma ki to mal sel karanye yuson de baba ne tza hamal la pukata nin tum ne tun shel ngoma de ba yeto abiel katiye kanati yelya kanati Real Tamale United playing a must win against Steadfast ka bufa kwanye bambe waya te pere la na kanata na san shamia nang ban pin ma ya tena bu mi Real Tamale United defeat batin shi sa shel ngona won be son Allah har ngo Real Tamale United will playing against Steadfast Tamale Sports Stadium Balamaya, Alhaji Ali Mama Park, Jabuma Puni, Real Tamale United, Mr. Fasa Seimea, the Malpukata Nativity, Kalerinya, Wayung Dundon Pune, Wa, Wulaka Bofako, Yen Johnny Manatana, Table Man at Parka Gankam, Kayalama Yai. Okay, and de la Talan Kalabna, no Kulabna Joe, Katigua, to Auma, and Zungle, Kana with interview with Charles in the building. We are talking about the EP, Tamale with the EP album, conceptual no Zumo, yes, Zumo Karko no Jungo, the Nola Yapulu, Sakasaka, free concert in Yalia, the Zorichan Kantamina Saint Food Spices, Lazy Tomato, Miss Mr. Rainbow Tools, and Tapamari Stoops Ghana, the Institute of African Arts and Technology in Dilaminti, Advert Kanku in the Mint to be high in Kalabana, the John Cantona.
Só pensei o bicho em conheda. Só pensei o bicho em conheda. Só pensei o dolofinho em naisa. Só pensei o agu com conheda. Só pensei o clube de filia. Só pensei o mandi de filia. O costume sindi de filia.
FDA aji edwedie kratwo yi atomu.
Surana Halid Greenran, Tamale, Marastos, Santa Maria. Indicator Marastos de Tamale. I can give you a name in the Machi, Krason Dia, Lakisam, Grazon High for Lakisamo, Kilometer with the neck ceremony. Indica Chiki Kumachiki Yabata, Kumakrason King, 15 Chiki, Kilometer with the neck. Should Mankinason Dia, go back to Dia. Chiki Kras and Chiki Diva, she can also do at making a back in Chiki. Mtene kuma she ciki na ya bazuwa ta zai da yake da namiji kuma zama lafiya
to mara so suna tishim ni ba ayi no ku shere on bora to felo ma tun muto chaka da rangan gan tilala bawo ko sati lazo to rimi non ko ikana tisalma ka to na to ala fi na ko cha ka to lan to tilan mo shere kar zan go ka ce ko na ko tishaka tun na bi ka to felo ma the Marso Quanti Yermunicama, Dorangan and Tinano, the Yemnati so come, Banya Bedo. Lindy Nan Kanya Pakan of Noniana, Shell Amborna, Nuna the Yemnazanta. Be Anya do Cabononian Azam Patikwa, Nuna the Yemnata Alba.
My name is Cupid Adubiri, the regional manager for Maristopes International, the Northern Sector. Maristopes is focused on giving you a client-centered experience with all our services and our products. We, the Tamale Center, focus on giving you services that meet the highest safety standards and protocols. We are located behind Zelia restaurant, opposite the main taxi rank, and on top of the GN Bank building. Some of the services we offer include pregnancy options, counseling and management, modern contraceptive methods, STI treatment, cervical cancer screening and treatment, as well as laboratory services. We also have quality products for sale to medical facilities, pharmaceuticals and individuals. At Maristopes, we are open from 8 a.m. to 5 p.m. on Mondays to Fridays, and on Sundays from 8 a.m. to 1 p.m. You can contact us on 0800 20 85 85 as a toll-free number, or directly on 0544 311 061. At Maristopes, we say children by choice, not chance.
Eya saya ya menazen food spices Lizzie Tomato Mix and pa Mr. Red Motors na Marie Stopes Ghana na Institute of African Arts and Technology. Okay, ibwa ya igba bono iko kala bono na no abaraga na temini amabile mapu ne tepo ya kapapam yeto awala dakani straight ejura katichana ejura killings yesaya ejura killings and the probe. Family of Kaka refused to appear before the commission. Commander Punyala from introduction ma. Ntaten na shi sashel ngo. Hali ye to ashel din da bon redempted demokratiya. To justice. Yelma kan ba yele, yelma kan wum te sat taba demokratiya mbalama. Ben shaden da bon redamle da nyala ben shaden da nan ejura yung dun don funi. Ka human rights activists, ka Amnesty Ghana, ka irin kaman bambe kaman irin biagu fujel vuye to apuni, ka beza hamal galan na fi wazanjani ye to ashele den danan ejura yung dun don. De ba bandi prince mi so janam da yina kamara fanam te mi ka shapto kombe nyefia. Ti yang Google la ye to alama, bitu gara ben ni mani ka bono no machu kaka. Ka lalandi ngoma ka da wuhni lalandi ngoma bu kuwumi ka kuwuma sababi ya pune ka yina tutora ayirumu apune ka prince mi so janam yina ka marafanam tin men nan nirmo mane ka nirba te pi ka yeto angoma ka nyu ko galaga zante nirvu kamza angu fura ganamu de ba banda tan ban solan mamanga ko yandi yeto amana changshama de kuto chekara ku changta bahyo lala ni talla nyala ne rebo fit go santele de sahanya o gahnu bol interior minister Ambrose Derry no okana kabajine ngba commission lela commission ngoma nirba ta lawyer bimbere puni nte pa security aspect bere puni nte pa another individual ko bere puni kana yana nirba ta kataba daba pia ne bazan pe ejura nte bo febo nte lela yeto alwa ya dalidin da chakal lela kuma makaratu ku banam nda ku bole da nan wule da tan prince ngoy da tan soja ma banam da ni commandant ma banam da mi marafana ma halka piuti kira de ba banda tan ban zolan pa bawmiya da nyala mun chang ni mane banda kan ma ku yilbe da do andara yen nan bawmiya da zan la national chief imam pa o manzo ka ba chang nte pa ejura num solo ne bele nyanya den yen nan sham kallala ku ngoma kar busu ma go san te dang ban ko ngoma bi basam nan ban kan ngoma kana jela commission ngoma to tana be repuni commission man na pile do bna yelya ne ban te ba bia pishel ma ba la suru man tan ban zolan nan pa ba kama bakwai be kama daba nula sa because ne ban te ejura tan nan da fe ma bia pi ma ngala de pora ne bu to san le fe en ye ya ma le shele de bele la yeto ama puni which kan de borna sati de man la bia pi ma pora batin shi sa shele ngo nirba yin nirba ta bna pun appear before the commission in yele ban wal yeto ani ye shele police inspector so ngun sud nimani ya'lama fukum si nta pa 10 so ngun be nimani ma banda yan so body gas varsir la particular ka ko ma hal ko te kan kasil so zil kaman ben to mal nu tembo ko mo apune la disma o ga apia before the commission kayel unno ni yeto ani yeshale o yeto apune o yele ne de mal ditable ne ka kama da shin yele MPP nira wana balama MPP na chembele nda shin yin zuma ne kabu wo ko yeto apune around the constituency be la area ma no ko be pune wana balama na hal banda so wo chan ashifti ko te kane MPP wobu lurin da ko kana ejura yana ka bata soro da wuya ne kaman MPP na chambele shirbala ka ke mati o yel onno ne yeto asan jandre pulu o yel ummi shapulu commission ma san haban yare to amma din nan non tom zan to committee ma be commission ma san hanan yamya ka ka so mun da kan kan yi sababi ya kan marafanum tin yar halkan nirba yi tin pangwa o dan ma ti petition ya ne kaman ya bakuto kana nte pai la fit mo abi boss ngoma lapsa funi nte commission ngoma ka sabbanka 8 bullet points bir funi nguhur dalir shaldin chaka bu kutu kana wan mana nyala ne bakkan nin tarbu unsan tel la commission ngoma kamanden to yek yamang le shel bam bor mana wan balama secondly ne banda yan kaman be bu mun kan ngoma o tu zobel be o biel lan kuma nuru kurba musulla la yeto ama de so be jenbe la hamarte yeto ashale din yentir balla la dangoma din yentir dangma la pigmoma be yeto amala ka basanti do commission ma yele ya nere na borswel ne butu nang because ala ala zumba ma kabre simse ne apia yi before the commission kabli ya nin turbo kane ne butu apia yi de ne ya hey ti le bambe commission ma kensle kumsen justice of the court of appeal na won ga fara woni ye chairman san tele ya o yino boni kensle kumsen nte pa ngone villar mirror entry balama security expecting you nte pa Juliet amwa banna nye commission ngoma banna nye nirba ta ne bele bo vego san tele la patukura ya alwa interior minister mun nda be fu commission pour ne kala la commission ngoma kare fa ya kale yan ne nda kun nan ka asawasi by election ya polo nama me short committee la nda kun nan karate na shama nan mun la kan ngoma yan na de son nin to bokale de son ka mun tan ma yele ne bu kutu kana commission ne bi ku bordo ba sham ne ban ba ma ne ban ban ya ne bu kongo bia bu kongo tuso bi bu kongo ba ne bu chentin na won ya nta habam na kusan ye to ashel timbalama do ne mal ye to afunu because course kana pam from ijra kan nirbu yar ye to azan jandil la ye to ama pulu ba time kane so yen chele maybe next week ti labna bi partial commission man te jini kan nyanya kaman be ye bu final veguna be de table ye to akaman kumo ma be din chakarten na ma di partial tin lan labna na puniya okay but ti chele selni katrisi to ne ente ko ye to ashel dem pa ya den le pa ya ma ba Rebecca and Samira salaries pour ha ala habiare you travel conco de bora 1 hour 1 hour 1 hour that can my hour my hour 1 hour 1 hour show me money boy yes you see can and you bless you God Rebecca and Samira salaries yes I Tangban Zolan Waljira, Monia Rebecca. And Tapa Tangban Zolan Pa Dr. Mahmoud Baumia, Oba Waljira, Monia Mune, Samira. You to adapted parliament. Kalana you to Alemania, MP Namabe salaries, Bugwali Yuare, you to Ankana. Ka MP Nama, Bugwali Yorma, Paboma Mindi Yelekamaya, can nearby you to Bahadapuni, Samira Baumia, and Tapa Rebecca Akufu Adu. Kabu yuluba biene gana woni yen yor shaba kare yala gomdan ti tum de ba kabu yuluba bu yuluba ma pa bu ma ya de na kan nan bante ne be sa yino kam yen der la 21,000 ga 200 million chana welcome Samira indira 200 million de changing nyama ka Rebecca diri 200 million de nyama apart from lela de bu ma ya ko gol sheldon garla ka yen yoba be gol sheldon kan na ka yen yoba bu bagde tele be en changma te ko 2016 tinda ko no election nage ka 2017 1 January ka bu popor la be en ko la dab selema na hal no gol sheldon zango en kal de zan hasama yoba abu yebe en changma te ko 2017 January banda popor den dan shele nana do na popor na bawum ya ka gbo sula be en ko la dab selema you Samira Baumia and to Rebecca Harlan and Tinshi Well Sheldon. To calculate them 21,000 every single man. Can you are uncle? Allowances shall them be a travel allowance, sitting allowance, sleeping allowance, travel allowance. This is a high empowerment. Gana nam Zahan Lambo and the Nabwakaman, Nana Domin Baumia, you question Shania. No Pamo and the tune come to the Ghana. Okay, Nanado Tambazola and you go later, come out, go later, the Tambayi to Abaumi and support to the Mutuma. Samira, Utuma, no Tumani, Ghana, the Buhanana, Samira Tumo, Tuna, Ghana, Katin, Lala, Halkarish, and their back day tamale. Kamania, Ghana, the Simpson in Nanado understand Kamania. I'll call them Dalut the Pump. There were so many promises. And on document, promises, man, they were too lovely that everyone entrusted their thumb in the hands of the MPP. I'll call in the mother and Yasim. Come on, the Babu mother and Yasim. Ula Karapalbumati different things. Come on, day in, day out. Things that were not part of the promises that was made of the ordinary Ghanaian. Then in Yirna. Already. The life of your wife, ni Rebecca ne ba ben na livre kama prince duel ba mi ka duel vie tinama bil na membo monu ala habiar nyel kitela insan la la so yoba to find teacher nama kama headmaster nama kama doctor nama kama nurse nama kama banama sometimes some of them when they hear ngoben yarama wula ka ko par demonstration nama teacher mun chan shukuru hale intesanu no chan shukuru bi doctor ko nun kan operation o min pi mbala o min parna mbala hey ko yorte nyongo ka somuna just because o husband o yi Daniela vice president is ambala o yore ni 21,000 apa mo to to family la ka kana bi wa kulle miya zomi nawo tunda shi gana shenwo bun kwabro min ni sallam yurla ko mo ane ni sallam shabjane na ga fara sha'wo ne shi nguna ban min tamfuni lanka alaka common bridges to cross to urban cities de Ghana. Parle donc fiel ba halka nese na bambor na ba moto. Be cheche chang tutuntuma de Ghana. Kati pelme lehr la kaman alike kaman people that are already okay. Bang ba pun okay. Kati la lehr ban salaries. Zomi now. You to anguma ya kaman like kaman saya yes nirbo pam hal nirbo be MPP ka ba fili kama layi to ashar din yinawa seriously nirbo pam be MPP ka ba fili to ashar din yinawa because kama da mallan nan dama hey Rebecca min Samira ya na no viel ma so my beautiful Rebecca and my beautiful Samira. Like a bomb in the so no is only we are there. You could Samira bone to you shop here, no Quaranema. Come let me come Quaranema, police they guide the Jenny, go do V, Quaranema. My amba, Quenchia. Chill like a well and pick up you 21,000 for Bushon. Teacher listen ya kana twale nditi nyanya kana namsa hani ya sang le changshan balayi to alwa nguna de malnan dahma pa bashiri yang 21,000 from 2017 every single man nkana te belen de la resante bawmiya pa resante Rebecca o ye to ana bere pune okay teacher basal ni bo kale dwal te belen nditi nyanya de yan changshan ka te dwale ya okay the war brutality soldiers handed punishment including detention and demotion on a very quick one disturbing video shelda yina wa ya almo ka soldier nan kutela tumpunu pirga pa Burnir ya la particular video ngoma daranya of great concern instant defense minister zan hanan banyindi ka Dominic Nituwul munye defense minister kanye MP zanta bombala yon dundon punuma uranya la mun pi parliament na nga fara ala mishi dalma bala noti labs boisi insan jande la yeto alama pulu ni mana ka Dominic Nituwul yale no okay ni soja shabanda billa la video ma punu ka burnir ngoma na tir dabgonya la dambian instant baya na tinshi sahashal ngo la soja ngoma na won ga fara bidi mutla bashaba banda mal balati shanga banda mal me shanga be pile makache ya halka dikat kana zambe shaba na chantu yodu na kwarba tu ne ditene ba ka be ni mani ya hey kan mo ma kunya man kama ne komi ya na ai kunya mun ne da be samse na kullo ma annan a own hands puli because dalil shadin da ta ka ban ma daniel ne soja ne ma so funu da barbe kala funu mo ma bobuzo Cartisha no burni wa halti darba nang dugutan niya la video ngoma darana very very worrying halka wa ya ngoma kabina ti yihbin tabo kache suja kamza hangum bilela ya ngoma hey dramal nan bwa pam baden nan kan la particular reactions ngoma kada kana quickly ma hal minority leader minority side in parliament ma bi yale no puya ka papam den kana we quick respond kada to yina to but darbo insang tele suja nan ngoma de ba banda man lutum mun la yitu ayo chelin da tumuma yes minority nimza ha be recommend ya kapu kapai defense minister na ben chakale la yitu alngoma kada no ma hal going back to wa ni bo pamyele na hal la tub darbo shaban darbo ma mirna ba sa'adan da samsana ban ma because when you are a trained military officer ka to take the law into your own hands then la particular paperic ngoma na da ban ya but some of them are okay kayan na don ku dargo to ngoma da saya because single nut spoil all nuts in your mouth na ku ngobre sima kat zan sam bianan da fune ay nyama kar sa'ande zan ha na zo na be yele la ni ngoma so jantar fune ya ka bo biane to sa'ande la so kula so jana ngoma yuma. All right, den kat bon ti yel ya yes donc nye shame mala so nyana ngoma yi to ama there's a whole lot issues to it ma hey tipa no baye to abia ne jela de sa hanya ka kuti ga ka ban na won santi nye fe pa ga be so la vie na nga fara RTU nyala baye we must win against Steadfast Mbelema yes bo fa ko gbanyala bambi wa kati yi to ala na ku barka gan kam ya hal de bora RTU num coach nta pa supporter shame ne mino po hayuta program azo bad yela na ku gab me kam butu nyala di pa shela after Steadfast match ngoma ne punya ba kati nyanya te mino po hane yuta sham kati yel wule kuma ne halde ba bane yeto ashel din nakka na halde nakka wumbu ba hande na ku den na ku ka wumbu na chakatu ku chere tipan ba yeto ade den kan yele ne chire sasele di pashele na on est en veut pas atalata derby over next weekend ma ya ne lamna programme azo ne nangle ba chakante ga ya man punjala yesu ngo dabsene ngoma na wun ga fara ti kuna programme ti chella saka ya buka ti chen saka na tan wusha nyala wunda drop album la album ngoma ka bolle ne tamali wide EP album nyala ya de concert nyala de yen halde mal bukata na tmen wushal po hayuta ba katinyanya alreadiness o preparedness in sa gender album ngoma ne drop sham ne concert ngoma ne yen sham okay don so ya wusha nyala ngombe studio ngo nte pa Faisal ngone Mari Stoops Ghana ngone represent BK1 a product in Skarina Mari Stoops no ya bagba nyala bambal nutumbo nzate la wushal concert ngoma for that matter de mini ba ko yen yula taba katinyanya yungo abela yungo be kantanga ay ko le programme wana saka ka tenya wushal ni kana tiri explain ne sa ha ntunde yi to azanta ka ban ya mena Zen Food Spices Lizzy Tomato Mix nte pa Mr. Red Motors ne Mari Stoops Ghana nte pa Institute of African Arts and Technology manbe RCKT mapuno ka programme ma ka de kanna ma ya yes we shall that drop traction from the EP album ma ka bolle ne ntale ma ka tin drop ti mele na we shall termina ya de chan kantanga de chana NTV
PJ on the beat.
Yeah. Whoa. International legend boy with child. Nyala pia, kazang zovlila. Kade nyala yelle kambon nang minin dang susuni yeah. Kanzo nang gangdama, nemambe simseba. Atishela nam jib swel kana wum pial banin jili yeah. Ntali nyetini kazang jama. Wanam bang lekatum sandani yeah. Ndem jale nyetini kazang yuma. Wanam bang lekat pansili yeah. Nituma tale ntale, nitumburga ntale. I woman them baby.
All right. Me ya saya. But da musane de tabarakallah. Kaman na pun yala from the beginning ma but okay. Chakan ya lab na tala tega ka bang na mina Zen Food Spices. Inte pa Lizzy Tomato Mix. La nyala ka Mr. Red Motors inte pa Mari Stoops Ghana. The Institute of African Arts and Technology. Kabaza habe RCKT mapuna katinchan program ma na won ga fara kana NTV so ya. Yoma ka bebe kantanga mampunta Allah bal sharia. This one there breaking news in yale. Yoma ka bebe kantanga chel yale kam ka fumbar na ya. Kamanda de pun yalama. The legend boy is in the building. Weezy. Okay, I told you some couple of weeks ago, just some few weeks ago, Balama, Mino Pohada Yotauchi, ka order dropper or EP. Lala in a short form of an album. Katarana drop one tractor from that EP. Lala one track ma tinji sa shel mo de la kanere explain ta. Dawa da bang pam ya no wo la zom no komando tour mo wo ro bon ya. Tulum konko yenu na won gafara ko furu nyata no malisare. Yungo. Ti na ngwantere kanete kula saka ya. Yes, Al Jazeera samban mane. Neten nang le buru ha. Okay, the malbuka ata netme wishal kat pa yu taba katinyanya readiness of the concept ma be social de no yungo ma atisha banyem piani ne ban supporter ka program an na ya Mari Stoops Ghana as always ma be wizi muna ambassador Mbelema BK1 ambassador Mbelema so we chance pulu ka Mari Stoops ne BK1 ma na won ga fara ka bakara punia ngome gbanye officer in some particular production ma munye Mr. Faisal for that matter Mr. Faisal entapa wishal barenye ngeso ya katana di filama kana chang jama mashi dozo aku wumda nyuku malishir kama aku wumna adar mo saka ya okay Weezy
Mr. Trey
what's up with you superstar this time Murala Kaselma or Hisma ya tabla miti ya social salon even he looks happen mo
yeah, sure.
yeah sure And you guys are doing very well. I mean, album ma bisham ne lihriya. Dinin ka baka hasada ba so ne bi su him palgar makaman like bu wahala ma na kana ta passion and you guys are picking it up and you are making their work of benefit ma. But feeling dinin ka baka hasada.
Yes.
But my hasada muna be jealous. So but we believe that some of them they are very proud of you guys.
Yeah, so.
And you guys are not letting them down. Yeah. Let's go back to Lamatinyanya. I mean, last week ma try drop first track from the EP ma.
Yeah.
Response ma wula nyele.
Oh, the Maria Pam.
Okay.
Even after that, one drop like Shaliya.
Yeah, there was another one.
Yes.
Okay.
The one that
hip hop track ma.
Yes. And that way, and Chelaka Kana Zone.
Okay. Okay.
Yeah.
Very well. Yes, I am Mr. Faisal. Office ma beula.
Alhamdulillah.
BK1 is more super. Mr. Salis Nubza Habula. Very well. Manyam Bijinda. I question you always look kana be in your office. Alright, that's very great. Maybe you can which way role them keep supporting in that show, because we know personally which event comes out and you guys are always part of it, because he's now ambassador to one of your products, and especially anything that got to do with the youth, which Chad advocated for. I mean, he's always on the street, he's always in support of the youth, especially fan base man, Pastor Billy Punapa, and Maristopes Ghana, the same agenda, it got a lot to do with youth, Pastor Nachuma. So we'll come back and you tell us benefit sheltering, apart from free concert sheltering, no more. What's that? For more EP album, I drop here. Go.
No, the drop here.
Okay, very well. You wouldn't drop them, man. And there's a concert to it. Oh.
Yes.
Okay. Then take us through. Will I
carnival.
Okay.
Then can release EP. Because some say come in France. Because there's no concept.
Okay.
Oh, your concept journey. I'm free here. It's just going to be a street carnival.
Oh, free in here.
But still, shall we insist that Alanya gate fee. So that drop card food. Okay. Can enjoy and then. There are more arts to perform.
Okay.
Yeah. Though to be revealed, so you live now.
Very well. Oh, okay, artists on Bilma. Even you man.
Yeah.
But are we sure that I mean think I mean serious artists, maybe in Chaka, I mean night man they feel it.
Brothers Kubjam and supported.
Okay.
I contact them all. You know, business I make from now already for it.
Very well.
I don't have any problem with that.
Like a disappointment that okay, think maybe carton okay.
Talk about him
many more girls, many more girls than
the many more great artists.
Okay, very well. Sijen taka ni career so na nando no hit. Come on, you sit in your hit ni man. Anyway, I mean you are a great artist, so definitely how do you go in your career? Commander kono featuring with Shakonko. Bukonko yanka ki perform the Yushala Minimani Bima. You can put 10 them to play. And how did you concert ma nta konko bana ko nyo because he's make the concert. I'm Mali. So to kun ka ti share the hits ma ka enjoy really. So make time tonight. Sahama ala kana yungo kunyala ya ti kuna programu nyimfumo na saka ya ai venue manyala.
The nyala saka kura Al Jazeera.
Al Jazeera.
Anko ya angi town pulokan na.
Okay.
Saka ampa first petrol station ko be right.
Second trap guitar.
Kakuti trap guitar. First when she said I could do it. Kabi man go free and mercy ka ma.
Gasol ni wa. All right. Mr. Faisal San Katinyanya. On a very quick one, Mr. Faisal, this particular one, the lady in Chaki really supported particular concert, though I have seen that anytime that Kawusi and my public gathering, you guys are always around. Is there a special reason that you guys want to be part of this as well?
Yes, I mean, which when Misha comes out handle a special.
Okay.
So I wouldn't say street carnival mama no la extraordinary because Wishart himself is an extraordinary person. And so the real relationship ma. How wish I appear violent, I appear me around one that non street carnival. So oh forget about this street carnival. There's no way Katen tell about it. They don't stand about it.
Okay.
And we are sure that definitely there will be turnout. And once there are turnouts, opportunity my journey, the two zang the long one initially into solo.
Very well. And Maristopes, as we stand now, it seems a whole lot to give to the youth. I mean, yes. What do you expect when you guys come around?
Well, a lot. But let me say for street carnival, tonight, team meeting,
definitely the thing sensitizing youth man.
Okay.
We provide education
Very well.
on sexual reproductive health,
Sure.
which is our main focus.
Very well.
So they provide live education man we would direct potential clients. So no someone team can go book at that bad. My to actually
Okay.
when it comes to family planning,
Yeah.
when it comes to safe abortion services. And we believe that live service woman should be known to everybody.
Okay.
Because them two farmers bearing to paga.
Yeah, sure.
So design me the right information I did the paga and me and channel share for you think your far for
Okay.
so Alabama yet and Tishaba, a things and Tissalo, and then tell him to Quanabla.
Okay.
Quanabla man, DK1 Tonku Yama.
Abba.
DK1 again. DK1 condom one distribution man. I don't know about that.
Okay, that's very great. Yes, BK1, I think Kanaka yet to Abielfo because it seems to be a product that so many guys are in love with. I mean, we shall be to one baby. Yarma feel like I'm was so really. No, you want to get up now one to enjoy. Alright, then I could say I'm a shark at Mino Pohayoro Taba, and this time around the Kanang Bantin, the concept near them, then Katuko emphasize on the young one Kunyale, Abela Yomabe Kantanga. I mean, just come around, pull up your bike, and come around. Saka Nyaya, Akupana Saka. Na kwa dumana la bisha puluma chele ka ba yana pallongoma Al Jazeera petrol station ma pallema ngoma ka kana ni ma hala ku ka tsen saka pallema zo na anga fara umbunkum da ma na sura ya ka kana great artists coming through. Let's go into the album again. Yeah. I mean EP ma there are like six songs album.
Yeah, 6.
But not release it too.
Yeah,
which first one ma da jala
Ntale featuring
okay.
KD Mesinumba and the Rizzy Boy.
The Rizzy Boy. Okay, let hip hop track man balama.
Yes.
Wow. Lela yila ma amborle pa. But I'll try and see what I can do. But I can take a single break. Can take video ma can love na ya do. First one ma telephone lela Ntale ma. But we still play that hip hop song ma. Can love na katinye nyadi nyenchang ya. Then album ma mo ma ya no release ya. So we're looking at 6 months possible to no can perform you.
This will come for so you can perform na enshi.
Oh no map to yet. Are to yet? What I call him hits my shark for the canna. Okay, before Katana dig this happy video because it's important. I've seen that I introduced them in Vosham on the Pune and they didn't disappoint at all. I mean, especially KD Min Mesinumba. I mean those guys they really prove me wrong to certain extent because now let them come on the more competition rappers in Yaba. And I have seen that commercially they can do very well when it comes to performing in a song. Okay, which one? Then I entered before Katana dig a break more Katime video no, not the
but they never azure Niama. Ninchila yi kamantama. Abalin young mammy shellum. Abjargi kamampaya. Allah Natin mammy dolo. And Chandran and the Kode. If you say yes to me, I do welcome to my Shelampi. La. You'll come on board a Shementi. Maria, Maria. Hey, Maria, I wanna marry her. Nadira, and you're a Moko Sherenchi. Why you are Sherenchi? You know you.
Yes, Chakayela, you touch a carbon and Nangman no Shapolo ya. Lela particular EP shall we shall not drop Roma. Trust me, I tell you no lie. The EP not been dropping ya. Trust me, Uncle no you shall Maria Mama. Halbanda Kanatel, media men, then I could select Shabakanato, Hananbantina Abianme, Kamuru Pico Maria, Kabapika Zafi, Kabapiko, Kabapiko, Landa Kunyala Hale. At the end of it, we couldn't select as to your best be more promoter. That tells you that a whole lot of work known in a particular EP Maya. This is Hananbantina Mania, Yungo, Sakasaka, Kakanatin performances, money and Chashamia. One of the tracks anticipated in the performing. Come on, pull up the place, Manila. You shall see and drop on just a few minutes of a break. Katimie Zafi, Wishal, Mesinumba, Rizzy Boy, and the KD. We'll be back after that song.
Oh yeah yeah yeah. Oh yeah yeah yeah. Oh yeah yeah yeah. Yeah yeah. Yeah yeah. Oh yeah yeah yeah. Oh yeah yeah yeah.
PJ on the beat.
Chali man come on yeleba. Chali man come on bang siba. Chali man come on yeba. Chali man come on chat siba. Chali man come on yeleba. Chali man come on bang siba. Chali man come on bang siba. Bang siba. Damali Aisha fi. I did sunny yelema. One sunny. Wahma. Did sunny Aisha fi. I did sunny yelema. One sunny. Wahma. Did sunny Aisha fi. I did sunny yelema. One sunny. Wahma. Did sunny Aisha fi. I did sunny yelema. One sunny. Wahma. Did sunny. Eida kabagara ka tibeka tudungarba. Bida ka tada kabanya ka tada garba. Baba tara ka tanyara bala ka tuha dangarba. Yeah yeah. Yeah yeah. Eida kabagara ka tibeka tudungarba. Bida ka tada kabanya ka tada garba. Baba tara ka tanyara bala ka tuha dangarba. Yeah yeah. Yeah yeah.
Joe, to consider Bama catch a bacafoko. Boy, go stick your lotto, ke guntu ko do gonyaro. You forget them wala, be palala, I the thing yala, dumbala, unda yala ya wala, gola, wicked, no more pain, because we are on top of the game. West child, don't think bad, because you be superstar. Gola, sapaya joya, the merga nimpo. Di pala anzomwo, nomba men west child, the dumbala za, the number bye bye yo, gola. Mayu, kubarmu, mayu, basumu kwanta kan gudu shi tabarma, mayu.
Nitamal ya Yuzafi, lalaka wishad yarama, lalaka KD ko songbon param ti yarama ya tapa mesi numba the Reezy Boy straight out wa superstar malama all jumping in one song kariyara ne yungo ti ku yitwe beza hanyara ba big concert ma punia. We back in the studio and Wishad is still here in Tapa Face representing Maristobes banye brand ambassadors banye bansu production nye Wishad nye ambassador to Jerma BK1 ma. Okay, we got repeat and you will support tonight on the show, Maya. Chakalela na Wishad and before Kanaka and Mr. Faisal, and we're talking about the product BK1. Yes, yo, Reezy. There is something I choose for the man. There is something I choose for the man.
Reezy Boy, no.
Reezy Boy,
KD.
There is something I choose for that.
Yeah. Ma, me didn't know. Bebe can't.
Yeah, sure.
So, Bishop, I know what.
Okay. But there's another song in it, ma. Karana feature Shabongo, ma.
Yes, Mala.
Okay. The bar mummy
Blessy.
Okay.
Benarazi.
Okay.
Love Guy. Old Boy. Doran.
Wow. But bizarre high better concert man as well.
Yeah,
that's why I was saying that. How do you go and check another feature? Can me a feature the bank will not feature about we got to perform a night ma. Yes, let's look at the event ma organizer ma. I know you have a whole lot of guys supporting you and the team. They are always there to make sure that I will feel in organization. Take us through maybe didn't you free concert ma. Sometimes the organizer to pump stage with sound with lighting and how we show that design
design for not impact.
Okay.
We shall come last for night.
Okay.
Because I can't tell sounds man. Alaji.
Okay. Yes. Okay. Very
stage
well.
mommy. Stage pelling, yeah. The one they need the type and the cat did feel John.
Okay, yeah, that's stage mama.
It's a very nice stage.
Wow.
DJ staff in Sulu say
okay. The way so yell mari you try.
Yes, it's a very nice stage.
Okay.
Obi bela Jisuna Yele.
Okay.
Kuram Pagi Jisu Plaza. The tone beautiful.
Okay.
Sometimes go here now. We might
fix the design.
Fix the design. Yes. And it's very nice. Look at you see.
Yeah, well, we come and see to it. Hardly, but didn't launch la Bama stage. Martin launch la so to launch la EP. Can launch the artist, can launch the stage. These are completely in charge of yes, Maristobes Ghana and my banner support the events for Makarian Kanafay and this is a brand that is solid, international brand in Balama. They will not want to associate with brand ma to something that is not of standard big quality Biripuni for sure. Then you can always have a partner with Wishad, can sound the particular events for Matarama. Mr. Faisal, put more BK1 product man. I don't get in that in you. Let's look at you people on Wishad as a brand. Can I tell you concert setting your number? What's your expectations as a company and individual? Because you do Wishad to change programs.
Yes. We are expecting a lot.
Okay.
Like Anyelma, Maristobes is actually an international organization.
Very well.
They be 38 countries. global, and so to associate ourselves with an artist, usually there are some indicators you look out for, and I think Wisha fits that bill very well.
Okay.
And so all the expectations we had has actually been fulfilled. So looking here, my Wisha he has ticked all the boxes. So the people who believe in so we got to BK1 Majala.
Okay.
All
right. Before Kanaka Wisha put a little indication on that man. La BK1 man. Talk about the BK1. I'm deep passion. So the first time I'm gonna I mean that's a product from you guys. What is a BK1? What is it about Bokarananda?
Okay, so BK1 year emergency.
So to little passion.
No, BK1 year emergency pill.
Okay.
The band to ya kama team.
Aba.
So maybe
first of all, the
advocate kama Maristo, the advocate kama I never know na
okay.
Kama kati mina pona hindu taba. Ati ta family planning method share ambwara.
Okay.
To abuto kanati dego family planning method. The mijena officially and the machine.
Okay.
To renanka maybe
whether one
no share I mean our boyfriend he checked out la.
Yellow
exactly. Lamp chemical shop pharmacy shop share don't come and I bought a BK1.
Very well.
The my big emergency.
You man yasum BK1.
Exactly. So once Uncle your BK1 you are sorted. Okay. You are sorted. Yes. So okay. Just a single dose drug.
So Timukunyale, la BK1 Shelton Kuyan. Okay. So didn't Karriera come in Amina Paabi, like Amina Kill, Ilam, Kalamma Yanga. He never even know really that Ilama, you want to know police. Then Kalam can into Falatima. Yes, the one coming in the Bandan Canada, parent do swell, Uncle Tunshi, the Swelka Buhara. As us and I could get double banjira to out and that for a double pina. Abani Yara to Ashema. So dear don't view Zamsulu Kai. You BK1 man, Susan Amali, what was Saman on the Shaba, about Zulu Numission, Susan, we tell a word of Mali. You to us have been now. Bechankana Kuguma on NTV. BK1 here to Akatiyarama straight direct. Karina Mary Stopes no man. One of the services man, one of the products man, Balama, and Kaba associated our brand woman to superstar woman. When you wish child, anytime Zahaka wish child event, they are always supporting and ensure that the youth is at the heart of that particular organization. They always want to ensure that Anchan Shukuru Venya, Ambona Changa Tumwa, Beshabi to track that to know, and wish child is always supporting. Wish child, you know, our fans man. Pasara be full of pam. I mean, Mula Carbona Yelva sent the product my BK1.
Oh, me, I like Mr. Fisher for yellow.
Yeah, okay.
Don't tell no one behind the mother of Mila.
Ah, okay, the fire. The fire, the fire. Mohammed, you're the fire.
Baby says, so, yeah, it's a nice product. It's a nice product. Because I got the label, office product, and like international products here.
Of course.
More cut mix. So, one the kuchan na service. We shall come as on board. Halam born as a lawyer, not this and go down.
Wonderful.
So, it's a the best product as a worldwide product.
Okay.
So, the Simpson come ahead and listen, maybe taking care of maybe unwanted pregnancy.
Sure, of course.
Then I think that's the reason why they brought up.
Yeah, of course. The last time she met Mr. Swalisu and Mr. Cuban around the interview. I mean, statistics that and I was very scared of it. So worried. Because the last time I was 7,000 to 8,000 students come here in teenage pregnancy. 7,000
in basic schools, man.
From now,
basic schools, man.
Kakuya no one up on Nabala, we sound the full shuku. 7,000 behave. Shukutu Kokam like Buchala town.
Office could be like taxi round.
Okay.
Direct purpose.
Very well. Maristops Ghana and office man. Okay.
So I want to can man, but that's check up because it's you can just handle call number. Okay. Now you want it.
Very well. At this time, but we have there's an extension of time at the office, Mr. Fisher. Yes. Okay.
Daytime ban on busy
in the other closer come on 5 man. This time around 8 p.m.
Even we are still meeting the kind of we are still looking at extending it to 10.
Okay, that's wonderful.
cater for enough people.
Okay, I shouldn't be young man.
Exactly.
Okay, yes. I could play helmet to you on about. All right, the Chanka no Kukuma on NTV special edition Katanung the Zoya, the Kuborman and Titega Kabang the Kaman Wishard, the particular legend woman, and to know that drop of album, Ragba Colino album, Somaka album, Payina, got a concert man in them the Yungoya, Tunkushi Sasha, or Bunkum the Madam Pumbal Shilhai, Komiya and Nisanya Lebeula Nanga for a but a damn to close Nanga for a show man and Noya after a few free nyele. The Kanaka Karashiana Aderetiki. No, Akuka Bama Kali Bola Paka Mutu Shafuluka, the Casa Abil Pune, Casa Jamaka Champion. I mean, these are some of the things that we are doing for you guys, because we shall could have decided to use Alba March and concert stadium because it is worth it. I'm telling you, if you listen to every single song in that EP, especially Karim performance, Karim free, Masa, Umpe, we are open there, Laka Kamonsi and Wamaya. Okay, we shall tell Alamana, tell him featuring Shelly. Chanyanya, I mean, Macadam, no, Chakalam, I mean, Tibet, I mean, Tibet, Gulu.
Can't you have a gold Selman Yelly? My manager, Pom Pom Jelly, Mamma Pressure in Yelly. I remember your cock, a man canny, young Melly, while he shan't kiss it, and a bomb piece, man tankally, a man chinchini in Tripoli, and Nabush and Amelie. Whatever they want to say, man, girl was object of Murukubek, a bosom man and Dama Chop Santana, she love it every day. Hey, one can dance on the
yes, another track no one in your performance in Balamaya. T-Bird featuring Wishard. No, definitely. T-Bird is definitely come true. No one in your usual performance in Balama. And again, there's another one that Wishard had jump on it, and it's a hit, it's a talk of the town. Then your Gulma, Macasio featuring Wishard. Wishard featuring Macasio.
Me, I no go buy what you sell. I no go hear what you they talk. Practice what you preach or change your speech. Don't be your man, don't call me. Shabia Zabra, don't call me. Sokoropa, don't call me. Garcheka Garche, don't call me. Shebulma, Shebulma. Okabukata Shebulma, 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 Okabukata Shebulma.
Mayela yard in the Mamma. Mayela yard in the Mamma. I think we should say more free in Yelly.
Shenya Yelly on the jingle. I will this in my yellow zingo. I am Jack on your earning.
Yes, big ups to you, Macasio. Matipuya, Yellow concert woman. Then check a Yakuto Canada Zoma. Tia some artists Shabayan pass through Nanga for her MC Mama, but to so rest assured that Macasio would be there. Eh, no, okay, Gafara. So come no concert, Maya. And you're buying very good
to Canada because Umala concert.
Oh, okay, okay. The Qatar, Bampupian, now Gafara. I don't let them free. See, I am work a cartilage Arab Karako, Arab Bankanako, Katiaja now balance of free. I'll have Yare, Alaka Yuti, Tagapule, but then Bema by Bantu Karakaso that did that. Yeah, okay, the man we shall behind you with Tamaya. Yakalella Katina, Mr. Faisal. The offices, ma. Mariscopes Ghana, ma. Pumpo attention. You guys are operating almost everywhere in Ghana, and apart from the office, ma, products, ma. Pharmacies getting to
yes, so the products guys here.
Okay.
Yeah, let me be straight. The products guys here. Okay. Product sharing be pharmacy when you PK1 many pregnancy test get sharing.
Yes.
So, but because of program sharing on your street carnival, our emphasis is more on PK1.
Okay.
Sure. Because maybe
no, sure. Yeah, there are so many services that you guys are rendering. So of course, there's a whole lot we'll talk about in case T1 around the clock. Got a meeting here. We'll definitely do that. But tonight we are talking of Wishard EP album. Tamale we did album. Got a concert near the Yentem. I just see the carry Yentem. So to push Sasha Mona. Just waste no time. Come around and we vibe and we sing and we dance together. Wishard is performing his pick hits. it's back up on it. Mama Mampumi, the cutting here, Shamia. Okay, let's go another one. There's some colors of the Let's go another one. Teacher, okay.
1990 something. Man, that drama can bring in a net to chance to go to my phone. Someone so fit in a Tamornina. Oyama, life is not easy, Baba. Antonia Zumabjana Kaka. Amikali Karkasata, Duzu de Magana City Yinga. Anakayina Chana, Pilo, the Butara Makam Nakat Jam Kula Movement. All the big money is going to money.
Mapuya, your concert, you know you go and I won't go for free. There was some suddenly free. I DJ Bone Company could choose any money. Tiger, Tikuchi Tiger Company any money. Nanga for there is why. Better than like Indian man on the show. Come on, DJ in Mera Tablu. I mean, the 770. You can defend your yes, no, what was that? Anyway, DJ Maza, you do Baku Lava brand. Now, I perform Robin Blue Mike here. Cutter share house. Baba den Marmo coming to Anya. Okay, you had to take my carbon to Mugu Sharp on your Tama tonight. Sakasaka Al Jazeera Balamaya, Uncle Papa Sheldon Kuyina Afandura Junglema and Serger come and Achella Agri Biguman last of ma. Yes, some by force around about Shelby Nimane. Pashel Sakasaka Cotes, Kashel Malger Turaka, Kashel got the woman. To Uncle Zella lesson Sumblema, Nimanaka concert man ya far and near and to Kana until free performances, free, which shall be Nimani. Your favorite artist, my definitely you'll be passing through to Greece the night, Maya. Hey, Maristos Ghana Banyalaban supporter, and they are coming through with products and services, education, the Binimana Kabazantati, some of Lela to Angoma, Deepa Shell, the Behoma, the Gutoya Gutubani, Nimukutu Yadundone, but it's in your chance, Kawakana Sangali or Wagoma, the Baba said Nika to Amakaba, I am Yamakana and Fanny. At the Bahbandi statistics, the United will come and be pumping with them, Sebuntu Tabni, Kalela to Angoma, you know, we take advantage of that education marker, Chanimania. We shall be back in the studio. The middle government has unpacked to call but Sama Garia. Okay. Yeah, sure. Of course, it will be beautiful. Very nice. So, Maristos Ghana, Kapur BK one is a number. Sure. Chairman Namjari, Chama Yusa, Zip Jenny, Omotadi, of course. Chaman Kilam, Jenny, Kanachi, Chaman Hali. Okay. Kupur is a number, and Sima as a number, Etu Jenny, Musa Jenny, DJ Tiger Kodania. Street. Comes as a tower song, the Duff is number, look sharp as a number. Look sharp no program. Very well. Mamma, whom team by Mamma Hooster. So, very so for Tanzania, Judgment is as an Dreamers Bench, Al Jazeera Mama, Karachi Gizo Street, Boys Mazas and Poro with us and very well for you guys. We're coming through tonight, Al Jazeera and Balamaya, concert mania than Kana, but EP album title Yella Tamale we did 6 solid songs on that particular album. Trust me, I can't tell you no lie. So I didn't ye comes out. Then can ni Sharia or no Maria, hey, Matapoya and Safi very puni, hey, titles Matima, God mood Babiani, Mala, the Babiani, Oluwani, okay, another great song of Balama in that particular EV album. This is Antonio. Look sharp, Chairman. Okay, very well. Bano host of the zone, Mr. Mashoud, Karachi, Afaki, and Chief Abiga. Okay, that's very good. That's very great. There's no Lamna Carton on either Bika and Obi Kumbipa. I haven't known the Zion can you studio one in your problem. Yes, Mala Warda to Ivan non Boy, studio on kutu ya. So no kanaka no Mr. Faisal. Then Kakuma na some pie then a couple need by Nilvata Catacol Fag. It's Sama Garia.
And Sano Commercial and Pahela, Seloma Pangamanka, okay. I find a new program man upon my fila man yens. Okay. Pink Ganda Johnny yens. So Pinama, when I could disclose it, I can have a man in your Pinama. Very well. Yes, Yella Pom Johnny. ja ku ka be for t-shirts no ne biani VK1 t-shirts no biani key holder no ne biani yeah special ones ma ngona ko inchara I kana
Toren nga mang samba yana kam na yungo intinye performances from Wishal and other artists abanye support man ne pina bien kala hindi ya de ba bana ay ndamla ay nyala free concert mama yele kala ni product services education inte pa products from BK1 na Maristos Ghana de so pang mama saka kare no ya mapu yala ye look sharp ku aku ba saka de ya almaza from a great saka ya kulukabi ku kam na free concert nyala ya Wishal make it lively for you tonight then ye shambala Wishal teacher kumbe bia no man de boire ça pas
aso igba bia kam annan wait ma shala kam sheka cham de me pa chance ayuri ya no por shala ka jam le sonen nan le ka soberu
wayo
sa ka nyen zam jolose ngel yul mbon de gadapse
boyarana
zo wa kotopse
wayo
baby gadapse
ay
baba salama gadapse
wayo
konko baby gadapse
nyira
yimino yulo on beleve
wayo
kamera yongi
all right tekati ezar ka puka pangu kamza hanan katar ka badin chan program ma once again titera na yungo nye concert ma ti ku yitwe to za hachel na mania. Of course we coming to trend mama manya na pass to what are you talking about mule jenoji BK1 ku titera ni mana to vale kulia and we seen great performances from great artists including Wishal and the artist Shaban Kubila la EP album man and Wishal no pun collaboration be featuring with Shaba to za hanya la banka na yungo ya. As always Abigail MFR one no in charge of the cameras my production team mo kamza hamal nuta mo puno to po ya ka papam general manager nyala Mr. Enoch. Yes, as usual chaka yapo ka pa Zulu Mate, he's always supporting a good brother for real Mbalama. Thank you so much Zulu. Afeko Joe Boatin is the CEO AKB Multimedia. Munusu program mo the Fukum Sunri Yale Kamia, general manager Tepoya, CEO director, everyone at NTV we most grateful. Ahmed Nyalangumbe MCR ma, Shahid Nyalangumbe Anchor MCR Tepa Jacob and all the guys around them we most grateful. Marhaba. Marhaba. Marhaba yenna dambi salma ka bambo hagar ko ga ne dirgo chance o kan za pour banga to awani kunye shel kam ya san ma yim ka sateno ko la ko go fu wan panga Muhammad Hafiz the trainer Faisal Wishal we out bye bye salam.